Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Welcome to a new vlog, guys. I forgot to do an intro. Like, can you imagine? I forgot to do an intro, so I'm just doing this voiceover to do an intro. And yes, Anna, for those who don't like voiceovers, guys, don't worry. I'm just doing it for the intro only because I forgot. But yes guys, welcome to a new vlog. Welcome to spend a few days with me. I hope you will like this vlog and I hope you will subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Please enjoy the vlog. Welcome back to my channel. It's the second day I'm going to be doing my hair at last. Like I'm going to be doing my hair and then but guys, let me show you what I'm dealing with. Yo, Aisha, you know, last year December, it was my son's birthday, and then someone got him this truck. This truck, ne, he loves it so much. Like every day, says kuzumsindo we truck. And incane kanjani, but nje he climbs on top of this truck. Ugibela le truck le lincane. Understand ukuthi ukona kanjani ukugibela lento le. Nambhekeni. Nangu lo bhuti. It's a hello vlog. Hello vlog. Njani vlog? Nale truck. Hayi Shem. Langigobisa le truck lincane but ugibela phezu kwalo aliphushe ngeenyawo. Anyway guys, let's go do my hair. Yeah, siyahamba. Sure, hayibo. Hi guys, it's the following day. I went to do my hair. I really can't complain. Like, I really can't complain. The problem is with me and my forehead. That's the problem. But nje hairstyle nje all in all yona sharp. It's the following day today, so I forgot to show you people who are not used to vlogging. Sana, loving the hair, guys. Please recommend something in the comment section that I can use for my hairline, like. And whereas I'm still doing a straight backs, knowing very well that I'm suffering a hairline. Black people, son. Black people. And the lady that was doing my hair, she is so fast, guys. In fast kanjani girl. In 1 hour I was done. Cabang. And I will go back there because I like that I'm not holding the hairpiece for hair. Nyasa straight back and straight up. You need to keep giving them mama piece mama hairpiece. I hate that. So lapaya and I, there are people who are assisting them. Shem, you can just be on your phone, you know. That's what I like. Guys, I wanna make breakfast. I'm so hungry. Yo. Nilambile sana. It's Christmas Eve again. So I think this vlog it will end here so that I can start a new vlog for Christmas if I'm doing something. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure yet. But let's make breakfast. Guys, this is what I'm having for lunch. I'm so lazy to cook. Because I'm currently defrosting this. So I'm just gonna cook these pork chops, gravy nepapa. But for now, I just wanna eat this and obviously my coffee. How can I forget? And then I can start cooking after this. Hi guys, again. I am cooking dinner now, and as in, after cooking this dinner with you guys, I'm just gonna close this vlog. I don't want it to be too long and boring. I'm just gonna close this vlog and then start a new one because I'm not even sure if people are going to be watching my vlog. That's the thing. I'm not even sure. So like, son, no, imagine putting so much effort only for you to get like 3 views. But I know we all have to start somewhere, right? We all have to start somewhere. Guys, please recommend something for my belly, like yo. And I tried eating healthy, Now I'm even like exercising, but I'm exercising here at home. Nothing is coming together. I just need a solution, like maybe something that I can drink. I don't know. So I'm doing pork chops, rice, and I think maybe on potatoes, neck gravy. I'm still not sure for now. I will see with potatoes. I will see. But if you are still watching, guys, please like this video. Please also subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. In this channel, I share vlogs, I share entertainment news. So if you are watching, but you are not someone who enjoys vlogs, you can just subscribe and then you'll be watching entertainment news. So let me not bore you. Let's just cook dinner and then I close off this vlog.